Okay, now we're going to do a 3-point saddle with a 60-degree center. Look at this right here. 60-degree center and two 30-degree bends to complete this 3-point saddle. So let's take it at 35 inches. And we made a marker earlier. Here's 35 inches. Now what we're going to add, because our shrinkage amount, 1/4 inch per rise. So 1/4 inch times 3, 1/4, 1/2, 3/4. We're going to add 3/4 of an inch to this. Okay? So 35 inches is to our center of our first obstruction. 35 inches plus 3/4 is 35 3/4. Let's make a mark here. Right here. I just about made a wrong mark. That's a good thing about pencil, because you just wipe that right off. That's our new center mark. And our shrinkage, we added for that. See that? Okay, here's our new center mark here. 35 inches, and we added 3/4 of an inch. 1/4 inch per rise, because we're dealing with the 30-inch bends on the outside of our 3-point saddle. So 1/4 inch, 1/2 inch, 3/4 of an inch. So we're through 35 3/4 right here. Made our mark around the conduit. Now, 3 inches on a 30-degree bend, the multiplier is 2. So 3 times 2 is 6. We're going to take 6 inches down this way to our outside mark. From the middle of our center mark, another 6. See how this works. I'm going to make my mark all the way around the conduit. Oh, pencil head's going out. Flip it to the other side. Little trick. Okay, I have 3 marks here. My very first is going to be my center bend. We're going to do a 60-degree bend on the center. I'm going to use this rim notch. It's a little notch in the bender, right here. Let's line that up right onto the notch. There we go, and we're going to do a 60-degree bend. Plank foot here, heavy pressure. Here, there's 30 straight up and down. Keep going. There's about 45. We're going to keep going with this. Let's start looking here. Here comes our 60-degree slash mark. There's our 60-degree slash mark right there. Okay, there's our center bend. Now we're going to take that out, put this up off the ground. Now we're going to use the arrows. And as I said before, on my arrow here, I made a little slash with a permanent marker across here on this ideal bender so I could see it without looking, because this is sort of hard enough. You don't want the conduit to slide in and suck your hand in there and hurt yourself. So now we're going to go for a 30-degree bend here. Take it down to the 30-degree slash mark. I'm trying to do this real fast anyway, so we're going to see what happens here. Let's take that down to the 30-degree slash mark, which is there. And see, like, we're way off. That's no problem. Where you have to get Jordan to come here and fix this bend. Let's see what happens. Thanks, Jordan.
Yeah. Oh, yeah. Back here in the center again.
And what you're saying, you don't have to waste your conduit. You don't have to throw it away once the.
You're always working with it.
There we go.
Yeah.
Just about there.
What's wrong with it now? Oopsie. Ah, I see. Okay, so now fix that one there. So we might have to straighten it out. This way with it. Push down. I think that was a little too much.
I think it was. But that's all right. We get the point.
Yeah. A little more.
But anyway. See.
There you go.
So you got 35 inches to your first extraction, which is here. You measure it out. Measure that out and see if that works. Here's the line, here's 35 inches. See if that works for you. Let me stand over here to get out of the way.
Okay. Here we go. 35 is there. We got that. Mark. There we go.
That is
5
nice.
in the way. And there you go.
Right in the center there.
Perfecto.
Perfect.
Every time you use the right formula.
Well, that about ends there.
Oh,
Well,
snap.
I stand in the wrong place at the wrong time. You also have to stay away from people bending pipe, as you've seen in this little video. Oh yeah, nice.